Should you invest in stocks or crypto, or maybe both? In this video, we'll break down what makes each unique, the pros and cons, and I'll show you exactly how to build a Gen Z-friendly portfolio using real stocks and real coins. Stick around. Your future self will thank you. Let's start with the classic. Stocks. Stocks are ownership in real companies. Apple, Tesla, Coca-Cola, even Nike. When you own their shares, you literally own a piece of the business. Here's why stocks are hot. Stocks are regulated and stable. Governments oversee the stock market. Stocks provide long-term growth. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned 8 to 10% annually. You can earn dividends. Some companies pay you just to hold their stock. Passive income, anyone? But there are also some downsides. Slower growth. You won't get rich overnight. You can only trade during market hours. You can't trade at 2 a.m. Your stocks are affected by global events. Recessions, interest rates, inflation, you name it. Stocks are like planting a tree. Slow to grow, but solid over time. Now let's talk crypto. Crypto is wild, decentralized, and 100% digital. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and yes, meme coins too. Here's why crypto is super hot. Massive upside. BTC went from less than $100 to now over $100,000. Decentralized, not controlled by banks or governments. 24/7 market. It never sleeps. Buy, sell, trade anytime, but be warned. Extreme volatility, prices can drop 30% in a day. Not backed by cash flow, most coins don't generate income. Hacks and scams. Not all coins are legit, and there are plenty of get-rich-quick crypto scams promising huge returns, only for you to never see your money again. Crypto is like riding a rocket. Exciting, but not for the faint of heart. So, which one should you choose? The answer is, why not both? It depends on your risk tolerance. Can you stomach big swings? Time horizon? Are you investing for 2 years or 20? Financial goals? Are you trying to get rich fast or build steady wealth? For most Gen Z investors, you want some safety, stocks, and some excitement, crypto. That's called diversification. Never put all your eggs in one blockchain. Here's a smart starting point. Let's say you want to build a $10K portfolio. Allocate 80% to stocks for stability, long-term growth, and 20% to crypto. High upside potential. If you're more aggressive, go 70/30ths. More conservative? Try 90/10ths. This split gives you the best of both worlds. Now let's build it. Let's break down that $10,000, $8,000 in stocks, $3,000 in an S&P 500 ETF like VOO or SPY. This lets you own a piece of 500 top US companies. $2,500 in tech giants like Apple, AAPL, Microsoft, MSFT, and NVIDIA, NVDA. $1,000 in green and emerging tech companies like Tesla, TSLA, and ICLN, a clean energy ETF. $1,000 in dividend stocks like Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, and Coca-Cola, KO. $500 in speculative stocks like Palantir, PLTR, SoFi, SoFi, and Affirm, AFARM. $2,000 in crypto, $900 in Bitcoin, BTC, the OG, $800 in Ethereum, ETH, the smart contracts king, $200 in Solana, SOL, fast and cheap blockchain, $100 in altcoins like Chainlink, Link, Arbitrum, ARB, or a token you believe in, but not meme coins. Here are your Gen Z investing hacks. Dollar cost average, DCA. Invest weekly or monthly, not all at once. Use apps like Robinhood, Wealthsimple, or Coinbase. Do your research. Make sure you understand what you are buying and why you are buying it. Don't follow hype blindly. This will also give you the confidence to hold even the market isn't performing well. Avoid FOMO investing. Hype fades, but losses stick. Emergency fund first. Never invest what you might need next month, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Even the best investments have risks. So, stocks versus crypto? You don't have to choose just one. With the right strategy, you can grow wealth and manage risk at the same time. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money work while you sleep. Let's build your financial future, one smart move at a time. If this helped, drop a comment. Are you more into stocks or crypto right now? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs to invest smarter.